In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contact form in Card. By the end, you'll have a clean, functional contact form on your Card site ready to collect messages from your visitors. Start by heading to card.co. This is where you create and edit your one-page sites. On the home page, look for the Open Dashboard button. Click that to access your sites. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual login so you can reach your dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, click the project you want to edit, and this opens the site in the builder. Pick the page where the form should live, usually your home, contact, or footer section, so it's easy for visitors to find. Now in the builder, click Add. This opens the element picker, which includes text, images, and importantly for us, forms. Choose Form. Card will drop a form block onto your page, and a settings panel will appear on the side. You can drag the form to the right spot and resize it as needed. In the settings panel, open the Type dropdown and select Contact. This sets the form to collect messages and send them to your designated destination. Contact is the simplest choice for general inquiries compared to other types meant for signups or custom behaviors. While you're here, check the completion options. These control what happens after someone submits the form. You can show a confirmation message, redirect to a thank you page, or just clear the form. A short, friendly confirmation message works well and reassures your visitors that their message went through. Next, switch to the Fields tab to edit what information you collect. The default fields are typically name, email, and message, often all you need. You can rename labels, add helpful placeholders, set fields as required, and reorder them so the form flows naturally. Keep it concise to improve completion rates, then move to the Appearance tab to dial in the look and feel. Adjust alignment to match your layout, choose fonts consistent with your site, tweak spacing for readability, and style the button so it stands out. Make sure color contrast is strong enough for accessibility, and keep an eye on mobile readability. Card's Preview makes this easy. When you're happy with the setup, click Done to apply your changes in the editor. That's all you need to place the contact form on your site. Depending on your card plan, some form features may require an upgrade, so review any notices in the settings if you see them. That's the process for adding a contact form in Card. Simple, flexible, and fast. Thanks for watching and enjoy building.